welcome back to my Astro Imaging Journey channel. Next up, we're going to be getting ready to denoise our image. But first, we need to know what layers and how much denoising we are going to need. So let's open up our image and let's go up here to Script, Image Analysis, Extract Wavelet Layers. It brings up this nice little script, and according to the information on Light Vortex Astronomy's page, number of layers should be set to 4 because that's usually the first 4 layers is where the noise is going to be residing. We uncheck the Extract Residual Layer box. And we need to make sure that our target image is the correct one, which is that one. And then we're going to click OK. Alright, what do we got here? We should have 4 images. And we do. 0, 1, 2, and 3. Just going to auto stretch these. Alright, so I'm going to read this one right off of the page. We can see that as we increase the pixel scale, so layer 0 is the smallest pixel scale, layer 1 is our next largest, layer 2 is even larger. We're starting to pick up some structure, and layer 3 is yet our largest, and we're definitely getting some structure. So noise reduction will need to be done heaviest here and lowest here. Okay, so reading off the page, we can see that as we increase in pixel scale, more valid structures of the image become visible. This is normal, as going up in pixel scale will reveal the larger structures present. This is precisely why noise reduction is applied more aggressively to layer 1 than layer 4, corresponding to layer 0 through layer 3. For example, layer 1 is dominated by noise, while layer 4 has little noise but has lots of valid image structures. Okay, so we definitely know that on layer 1 we need to go our heaviest, and layer 4 will be our lightest. So that was just a quick introduction to the Extract Wavelet Layers script so that you can see where your noise is at. In the next chapter, we'll actually be applying some denoising, but we needed to see what type of noise we were dealing with. So nothing's actually being modified in this right now. And with that, I want to say thanks for watching. Please hit that like button, subscribe if you so choose, ring that bell, and as always, clear skies. Thank you.